Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are safe and sound in your respective places. My name is Kedar Kulkarni. I have graduated from KIT's College of Engineering in 2012 from Production Department. Since last 5 years, I have been working in the field of social entrepreneurship, and currently I am working with Deshpande Startups in Hubli. Today we are going to talk about entrepreneurial mindset. It is often understood that entrepreneurs are born, but no, that is not right. Being an entrepreneur is like having a mindset of an entrepreneur. What is that mindset of an entrepreneur? Let us see. There are five key elements of the entrepreneurial mindset: decisiveness, confidence, accountability, resilience, and humility. Let us see each of them one by one. Decisiveness, the ability to take decisions. It will make you or break you as an entrepreneur. Just to give you an example, we have one startup with us named as Rapture. They are the first company to have complete made in India headsets with the bone conduction technology. They have been working passionately on their idea since last 1.5 year. But during the lockdown period, they understood that the market has totally changed. People are not really going to go for luxurious items anymore. So what did they do? They immediately understood their expertise. Their expertise was in electronics and mechatronics. So they shifted their focus from making headphones to making disinfecting robots. And since they made this decision, they worked on that, and they worked on it rigorously in last 1.5 month. And now they are signing off a contract with Bangalore International Airport. This is something called as decisiveness. It is the ability to take decisions. Second thing is about confidence. We need not talk much about confidence, but I will definitely tell you one thing. You just need to act like you have the confidence, and then you will gain the confidence. Confidence is very crucial whether you are talking to your fellow employees, whether you are talking to an investor, whether you are talking with other business people, whether you are talking to any stakeholders or the customers. Having a confidence is very important to sell the product. Accountability. Accountability is nothing else but taking responsibility for your own actions and outcomes. Why is it important? Being an entrepreneur means you are the leader, and the entire world holds you accountable for anything and everything that happens in your company or in your startup. That's how accountability is one of the important elements of having an entrepreneurial mindset. Number four is about resilience. Resilience is nothing else but the ability to recover quickly from the impact. We have one startup which is named as Docketrun. They have been working in the field of video analytics since last 2 years, and due to COVID-19 impact, their market totally changed. Their current customers whom they were serving were completely shattered, and they had to look for the new customers. So what did they do? They designed and developed a video surveillance system, and they worked it out with the Hubli Dharwad government. They worked closely with DC. They implemented their solutions. They got the recognition. And now, after they got the recognition, there are other departments, there are other district collectors who are reaching out to them to get this solution and implement in order to maintain social distancing. This is something called as resilience. It is the ability of you to come out or to recover quickly from any hamper or any impact that you guys are having. And the last point is about humility. Humility is nothing else but staying away from pride or arrogance. It is my pleasure to tell you that one of the co-founders of Deshpande Foundation, Mr. Gururaj Deshpande, he was named as the richest Indian in 2010 to 2014. But even then, he has led his life with very simplicity, and being very humble. He was also a chairperson for Barack Obama's Innovation Council, but he never showed that pride. He was always living a simple life, and he has been a great example for all the leaders and for all the entrepreneurs today in Deshpande Startups system. With this, I will stop my today's discussion about entrepreneurial mindset. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to talk to you. All the best.